So Howard and I ran into Peter Donegan at Futurescape up the Excel Centre this year. Knowing Peter quite well and having worked with him on a number of projects over the years, we decided to have a coffee and a catch-up. 20 minutes later, we'd signed up to give him a hand. Why would we do that, you might ask? It's a good question. Peter's a good friend and, quite frankly, a great designer. And to be given the opportunity to help the garden design industry create strong international relationships is something that all in our industry should aspire to, especially during such turbulent times. I'm really looking forward to seeing what Peter brings to the table in Melbourne, but whatever it is, we can be sure it will be a great adventure. Everyone at CED Stone Group wishes Peter the very best of luck, and we look forward to following him on his journey down under.